Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is exploring the potential of Chat GPT-3 and Chat GPT-4 conversational AI advances. With the introduction of advanced Chat GPT models such as Chat GPT-3 and much anticipated Chat GPT-4, conversational AI has improved greatly. OpenAI model have changed language production and comprehension skill. Let's look at the main features and application of these amazing AI assistants. ChatGPT-3 unleashing limitless potential. ChatGPT-3 is one of the largest language models ever constructed with 175 billion parameters. Versatility and adaptability. This smart chatbot is extremely adaptable, making it a helpful tool in a variety of sectors. ChatGPT-3 displays better language understanding and context awareness, allowing it to deliver accurate and complex responses. Impact in the real world, from customer service to content development and translation, ChatGPT-3 has altered company operations, improving user experience and increased productivity. Let's talk about Chat GPT-4, reaching a new heights in conversational AI, overcoming a creative block. Chat GPT-4 takes on a role of creative advisor, assisting with a task such as speech writing, content creation, and even composing, interviewing a social media caption. Efficiency in content marketing. Business may use Chat GPT-4 to generate relevant and appealing content based on specific audience and interest, increasing engagement and generating traffic. Coding and data work. ChatGPT-4 can produce logical code with explanation, also help them to document it, making it a great resource for programmer and engineering teams. It can also help beginner to solve complex coding concepts. Conclusion is that ChatGPT-3 and ChatGPT-4 have changed the conversational AI environment by providing a new language generation capabilities. This AI model continues to push, limit, and reveal new possibilities, from a creative aid to a content generation, coding support, and productivity optimization. Now we can expect much more fascinating advancement in the world of conversational AI as technology advances. Thank you.